All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm a struggling day trader, and we live, baby. There's the market open. Man, it's kind of dry today, man. Like, nothing to get excited about at all on the scanners. Only got 3 things on watch. I guess this is the one I would be most excited about. It does have a decent gap. They have good earnings. Just hope it doesn't go too crazy too fast like it's trying to do now. Needs to chill out. Come on, bro. AYTU looking interesting over here. Nice and strong. And that's all I got. Got AYTU, CSCO, and the SPY up. That's it. SPY looking good though. Opening nice and strong. I did put an alert out for NXTT over this day, and which would also be over this day, which I don't even know if I would want to mess with it at that point. But Wave Rider, what's up, bro? And I also put out an alert for Lobo over this high, which again, I don't know. Said there was some PR for it, but neither one of those charts are good enough to watch and be tempted by to me. So I gotta, I just put alerts on them, and then I'm just gonna watch these two that I got, and maybe scan through the scanner a little bit. Oh, Trey, what's up, bro? CRWV looking HINS. Interesting here. What is this? Core Weave. United Health Investigation, Apple Production, Core Weave earnings. So they had earnings beat. Q1 results spark Wall Street debate as new contracts drive higher capital spending. Oh, interesting. So this is an earnings play, but no gap. Just kind of I mean, I guess a little gap. Nah, not a gap at all. I'm not talking about. Just made it over yesterday's high just now. CSCO. Yeah, I know. Just calm down, bro. Look at the one though. It was legit. Not really. CREV. I was looking at that. Oh, yeah, I thought that was trash as well. RGTI. Whoa. Inside range type of day until over those highs. Dang, what that mother's jumping. Look at these big days it's been having though. It's doing too much in one candle, bro. Looks very bullish. 5 million shares, up 2%. ATXG. What's up, Kissna? Joe Dub. Nice gap. Real nice gap. I'll watch that. ATXG. Yeah, I definitely don't want to be in a halt fest though. That's because the day before it was under 75 cent. Is that like the line where it gets crazy? Man, Cisco was just wilding out, man. Just wilding. Slow your roll, dog. Nobody want to take profit yet? Like I could take these on the one as long as I sell at the sell signal. That'd be my problem. Yeah, I ain't watching ATXG. If it's gonna be a halt fest. Let's see what else we got. QBTS. That's not a bad daily setup. Nice volume there after the 2 candle pullback that I like. Breaking over the highs today. Oh, we got a high over here. Yo, today is a daily breakout for QBTS. I'm gonna throw that up, man. Throw that up there. See if we can get a, I don't know, this is a pretty good entry right here. 3-bar play. What's this high? 1184. Oh, yeah. That's that Jared special right there. Pullback would be way nicer, though. Yeah, there you go. Get on back. So what was RGTI's daily looking like? Yeah, RGTI looks awful. BTS, definitely daily breakout potential. KDLY. Nah, I'm straight on that. Hymns. Nope. Dang, boy, Cisco going off. This little 1 minute setup, bud. But we waiting for that 5 minute pullback. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, gee, what's going on? Microdon's Trading, welcome, welcome. Lobo, and that's a stretch. Uh-oh, we got 2 for Lobo. I got an alert set for Lobo. Okay, it looked like it's, oh yeah, I got my alert set for way over the high of this day at 240 or 250 actually. But I mean, that's kind of cool on the 5. Pretty wide range candle though. Not one worth an entry. QBTS over here getting slapped up pretty decently. Yeah, if CSCO can give us a pullback, man, hopefully it got a range in it. Like, can you imagine a day like this day? Was this earnings? April 9th? It's not cool. Where's the earnings? You in QBTS? Ooh, the dippity dip. You know what? When was Cisco's last earnings before today? February 12th. Hmm. Nice. That's a nice move there, sir. Shoot, that's all you need to eat good. Nice. So, yeah, this thing's gone, man. Webull. Yikes. It's just getting interested. Oh yeah, I forgot I ain't want Lobo until over here. It's my little line. Hey, what's up, K1? Hmm. Man, bro, QBTS look like it's just getting started, man. Get the old snatch and grab. Yeah, this is nice. This is super nice. Yeah. You keep flipping to the one. Yeah, it's definitely gonna take some time, bro. It's definitely gonna take some time, man. This is cool, but it's just too wide range, man. It looks terrible. Gotta let that thing calm down so I can get a good read on it. Yeah, at 1140, that's a nice price to be in. That's a really nice price to be in, Joe. Yeah, baby steps, Trey. Baby steps. I've been cool, K1. I've been it's a lot of pressure right now. Um I'm doing a small account challenge by necessity, and if I fail, it's like it's a big deal. It's not like I just reset. I pay $50 and reset my prop firm number, you know what I mean? So um but I'm here for it, you know. I'm here for it.
BNY.
I appreciate it, man. Remember, we're not gonna fall for the hammer and range. Man, I want that daily breakout though. I really would just like I'd like to wait for it to break out, pull back to this high day level. I mean the breakout level itself, and then we roll from there. That way I don't have to worry about none of that. Ooh, the 15 on Lobo though. Okay. That was weird. Dang, 15 on Lobo looks good over highs. This feels like a Billy buy if I buy right there. It is. Can't do it. If it breaks that high though, it's really good confirmation of uptrend. But it's broken down kind of now. Or it could just be dipping down here to give me the sauciest entry for the big bucks. Now that would be a cool entry over the high of this candle, but this one is ridiculous. I'll put a stop under there and take it over 150 maybe. Oh, look at it, man. It's gonna go, man. Descending trend line from pre-market highs. Not if you're going from there. The Joker came out, tested it, now it's rolling. She's rolling, bro. Man, that's like a high day though. Yeah, definitely 157. I mean, if I'm gonna wait for 157, I might as well wait for the higher day break. And then I'm just straight Billy, but it looks real good on the 15, man. What would be the real thing to do? What's the best thing to do? That's even better. Now we see if it holds. Nice pullback on AEVA. And this one ran off on the plug, bro. Should have just took it right out of pre-market. uh, I kind of like this, but it needs a higher high over this. High, higher low, lower high, higher low. So yeah, we need a higher high over this. And then we can talk to QBTS. Or you could just take the break of this high, stop under this low. Nah, how about we wait, let it break high a day, come back and see what it's talking about. ATXG. That's pretty nice down here for sure. Just need that higher high, yo. What was I looking at? Lobo? Fell out.
BTI.
Hey, man, I sure wanted CSCO, man. That would have been really nice. QBTS. Let's scroll back a little bit here. Nah, looks like we got, what is this, the open back here when it first IPO'd? Got 1323, looks like. There's another level. Let's throw a little thing right there, eh? That's a nice only 5, man. But it's not really worth taking here if it gets slapped at higher day. So it's better to wait. And we got the lower high, so finally got the higher high now. Hopefully it breaks that and then comes right back and tests this yellow line or, you know, high of day, yesterday's high. And then we can see what's up. Nice, 1152. Hey. Yeah, it looks really good on the one, honestly. But
A GNC.
a pullback on the one right here would be pretty legit. I'm trading on the 5, so I'm good with that. I just got to be patient and wait for my time. Dang, man, Cisco would have been so would have been so cool. Lobo. Huh. But now you got to risk all the way down to 130. AYTU look like it's trying to turn the corner. I don't know if it's even ever worth trading things that open like this. Aha, see there? Normally I would have took that like, ooh, higher low. It might be all right though. Just a little pullback. This might be a sweet little entry. Definitely good confirmation on the 1 minute trend that it's going to continue if it breaks above this candle. I really could just take it right here, man. Stop under here. But I'm gonna wait. The strategy. Boop, 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 boop. It sure looks good on the one, though. I'll tell you that. It is building for sure. but it's a good chance it's gonna get knocked down at high a day and throw a really sweet 5 minute setup. So that's what I'm waiting for. That is what I'm waiting for. That's my epic pin. There we go. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, so hoping we break through the high and then pull back down and give me a nice little, or even just pulling back to this high right here. Actually, it would be better if it held that high, but I wouldn't be mad for like a pullback to yesterday's high or 1170.
PFE.
This was pretty sweet right here, though. Oh my gosh, I'm missing all the fun. Should have took this one right here. It was so obvious. AYTU about to squeeze too. Bruh, give me my mouse back. Man, this mug is squeezing. I knew it. That's all right. Just be patient. Just be patient. Fast up, fast down. At 1171. This one? Nah, man, this little guy. That little guy. Dang, man. It was hard not to take it because I could see it clear on the one. But I've just really been trying to stay disciplined on the 5. And I could have broke it as soon as I got the higher high and just used that for the higher low. But that's just like, I was worried about getting slapped up here. And then, I mean, I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. I wish I was in a that dip was so clean, man. Just wasn't pretty enough. The volume really tells the story though. You just once you see it so many times, you start to trust it that it really is gonna keep going until you get a it's like the law of energy, you know. It's gonna keep going in the same direction until a force acts upon it. And that force is volume. But usually if you look at a chart that trended, you can see you look where the trend starts and there's a big wave of volume, and you look where the trend ends and there's a big wave of volume. So, and it's okay to take some out when you get uncomfortable. Put a little bit in the bank, help you relax a little bit. But yeah, I'm overly optimistic. Like I hold too much a lot of times. A lot of times. So I'm trying to make sure I take profits. Come on, man. Come on back down. What a strong move, man. Yeah. It was so beautiful on the one, man. I should have took it. Oh my God. It was so beautiful. And now just look at the fruits. Dang, man. It's actually pretty nice looking. But the whole situation looks awful. The daily, I mean. Hmm. Dang, I'm sad. We'll be all right. It's still early. It's only 35 minutes into the session. Uh, I know it's total trash. See that ending volume right here? Sell signal. Let the whole thing go right there. The whole thing. Just take it all out. And then you wait. Hopefully we can get a turn too. But it's it sucks like to be in the right place at the right time, but you still don't get it. uh, I should have took it off the 15. I didn't even see this 15 over here. That 15 was really pretty. Yeah, it was so many time frames lined up. The only one that didn't really give me the perfect setup was the 5. But I mean, that higher low is clean. Take the break that creates the higher high, and boom. It's hard to trust myself on those type. Like this was like a kind of a more intuition-y trade where I'm looking at, it didn't make a higher high, higher low. Just because of this little one peekaboo breaks the higher, gives us the lower high, which made me not want to take this. But as soon as the price broke above that, there's your higher high, honestly. Yeah, it's all good. Double bottom on Lobo at 123. Come on, you got to come back down one more candle, man. You got to. Yeah, I need the one to crash through for a minute or two below the previous high day. Back at 1222. Man, I don't know about that one. It was like backside on the one. I think we're probably coming back down. Yeah, coming back down to at least previous high, which is what I'm waiting for. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Could it be? Could it be? Coming back just for me? It's only the first minute though.
BBD.
Yeah, this thing needs a narrow range consolidate right there for about 4 minutes. I know, right? They gotta come get me, bro. I need it. It's actually starting to set up really nicely. It's this play right here, though, that always got me caught up because this play doesn't have near the accuracy of this play, right? Because it would make sense for it to get slapped at high day and pull back down and maybe want to retest the EMA and stop me out by a penny or two and then go back up, you know? Happens all the time. So even though this was an awesome entry, it just doesn't have the confirmation to make it worth the risk, you know? Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's gonna crash out. You just gotta be put them diamond hands on, bro. Hopefully. I'm definitely looking to take a trade over the high of this candle. I really hope it can stay over 12. That would be pretty sweet. That's not too bad of a candle. 1188 to 1217. I mean, it could be better. Could be better.
MLGO.
Yeah, I think we get one more little bounce on the one, and then we'll be ready by 10:15. What's this low? I might just take it, bro. No,
Capital B.
I'm tripping. It's literally how long and how consistently can I follow my rules? Like literally that's it. Every time I get ready to step out, I just gotta remember, no, bro. No, bro. We're not just trying to make money. We gotta follow the system. Gotta follow the system. Gotta follow the system. I,
ITUB.
my strategy outtrades me dang near every day. I submit. Yeah. Come on, you got 2 minutes to play around, then it's go time. I like that. I like that. mm Look at that, man. You just had to be patient. Now we get the real breakout. Bum, 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 bum. And my stop is below the whole dollar. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Slow your roll. That's all right. You can do a little sweep, a little tray sweep. It's gonna make the risk sucky though. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Well, there goes that setup.
NVE.
This thing's still holding low a day over here, but still going down also. Volume's gone. Why they had to do all that down here like that? Yeah, that looks terrible on the file on the 15. Yeah, it's mad dry, yo. KDLY? No way. Wow. I pulled it up this morning, but I was like, this thing looks atrocious. Not getting any setup.
NXTT.
Everything's just going right off the higher low. Man, look how wide this entry got from 88 to 65. Mhm. Mhm. 15 is mad bullish. Little volume pop on Lobo. This actually would be kind of cool too, because then, hmm, this might be kind of cool. Now we done tested the EMA. And I like this ending volume possibly into this 1 minute trend. Might be time to flip that thing back to the upside at yesterday's high. We shall see. Oh, QBTS for the daily breakout, man. Motivation healing, my bad, man. The spy and cues. I've done that for a while before. Spy is crazy to me, man. The spy feels so irrational when I watch it. It makes me not even want to trade large caps. I could just see some volume come in, some promising volume, like a million share candle come through that joint. Got a minute and a half on this candle. I'd be cool if it closed at like 12:01 or 11.99 or something. Even though it's still 50 cent stop. Yeah, it's definitely looking nice. It's looking nice. All that little whining I was doing, feeling kind of silly now. 15 is looking good too, except for this. This is nasty. This is definitely a sell signal on the 15, honestly. But it's a breakout level, so you would expect a lot of volume to come through as it moves up. But uh, you back on that 1 minute trade? Okay. Oh man, Cisco getting throwing some narrow range candles over here, getting me a little excited, but it's just not near any support level I feel like I can trade off of. At least not at the quick glance.
Order
Ah,
filled.
shoot. Too quick. It didn't break 92 yet. Okay, there we go. Hate it when I jump the gun like that on accident. This is good volume, but we need a igniter. We need somebody to throw a keg in this thing. Yep, 11:52. 53 it looks like. I'll probably move it down. Oh my gosh. Only if you think it's small, Trey. Only if you think it's small. If you look at all the candles around it, it's pretty narrow. It's just wide. It's moving wide because hopefully it's because what I think because we had a daily breakout and we about to go crazy. I seen this Cisco pullback, this nice narrow range 5, but just like where am I going to take it off of? I mean, I guess this was actually a good level, this big move right here. If you look at the 15, that's the high of the 15-minute opening range. That's a cool level and a super narrow range, even if you just went up to 65 and a half or something, you know? Hmm. But if this works out, it'd be pretty awesome. 15's back green over that 15-minute opening range. We just gotta get over high of day, man. Oh my God, if we get over high of day. Bismillah. Taking no phone calls right now. Oh, KDLY, bro. Over pre-market high with the this nice little 5-minute situation going on here. It's way up from the EMA though, so I'm good. I got this nice EMA play over here cooking. We just gonna chill, pay attention, make sure that we don't miss any sell signals. Look at that. I like that. Come on, baby, buy that up. Totally add over this high. How much BP I got? I got a lot of BP. Took that right under the $half. Why not?
HL.
Yeah, my bad.
VLE.
Dang, there goes KDLY. That was a pretty cool little 5 minute setup right here, man. Lobo on the 15. QBTS. This what it's gonna be, man. That was a pretty big sell signal on the 15, though. That's pretty wild to get in after that. Still closed green. Uh, what are you gonna do? KDLY, $11. Could have cut this thing right here, honestly. This is looking kind of cool right here. It's way extended though. Damn, for real?
Order filled.
Bruh, that's my bad. There's no way I should have ignored this. No way. The FOMO was so bad. There's no way I should have ignored that. I said it was a sell signal. Really? Dang. Nice discipline, though. Definitely better than taking crappy trades. What's up, Kenny? Yeah, KDLY. I can't. It's gone, man. Ain't no way I'm buying KDLY. I would have been all over that thing. Yeah, that's why I wasn't really watching it hard this morning. By the time I pulled it back up, it had already made this pop. This would have been cool. But I think we might get a shot over here on AYTU. Yeah, train gone. Gone, gone. Man, you tell it to bless. Uh, I need the blessings, bro. I'm over here struggling. Got slapped up by QBTS mercilessly. That was my fault though. That sell signal. See now look. Now we got the cover signal. That's the bottom. That's what I needed to see. And I saw a peak on the one, and so I was like, all right, we good. But that's why I closed the one. I'm done with the one, bro. I'm done with the one altogether. But the cool thing is, I think we got a shot on. We just got to get a higher low on QBTS above the EMA, higher high, higher low, which could take another 20 or 30 minutes. This looks pretty good on the 15. It's just extended like a mo. KDLY still rolling. Yeah, I guess it was cool for. Now it's not much of a move at all. Not much of a move at all. It's bad timing. Yeah, the 5 minute, bro. It's tough to wait on that joint. Now I feel kind of blind though. Yeah, it definitely needs over this high for sure. Don't need the one to see that. And molasses. Well, these things can kick in once they break over levels. Yeah, that's true. How many in this move? 500K. Look at that narrow range, juicy candle. There's the 15. It's earnings. It's got momentum. It just reset on the one. If it breaks that high, I would say it's probably going to at least go to high of day, which would make 670s a pretty valid stop. That would be over 65. Yeah. That's the A plus. Nope. Yep, that's all we need is a couple volume alerts to go off on some scanners and a couple little mini squeezes and they'll come piling in. Yeah, the break of this high is gonna be significant on the 15 and the 5. The 15 is looking mad sketchy though. The fact that it spent all that time below the moving average, I don't know. And this big nasty candle. Dang, man, I don't want to hold that L today. Really didn't want to hold it. But just don't want to take any bad trades. There's no money in bad trades. There's no money in bad trades. Yeah, there it goes, man. It's just not a good setup that I can be confident in. It makes sense for it to go up. It ain't for me. I gotta put this 1 minute chart back. It's kind of annoying. I just gotta remember the volume read. What do I need it for though? Nothing. I should have got out right here though, for real. Yeah. Next time. Next time I see that, I'm exiting. Try again.
You are.
I'm not. Gotta wait for the break and the pullback. Thanks though. Nah, I took a L on QBTS. Yeah, that wide range play, Trey. He called it too. This pullback was pretty aggressive too. The FOMO had just taken a hold of me at that point. There's nothing that could be done. And I mean, it technically checked all the boxes of my setup too, so I felt forced. So down 1R on the day, which isn't a disaster, but you know, stakes are high right now. This sure would have been a nice first pullback to take on Cisco, but you know, you could definitely consider this a sell signal and expect it to come back down there. 15 was good too, though. Just wasn't perfect. Feels tempting to take this over this high, but gotta wait. Gotta wait. Is there any volume coming into this thing? Tiny bit. Now it's too good of a level. Still wait for the break. Yeah, it's got a lot against it still. Really? Hmm. Yeah. I knew pre-market it was gonna be a day. BTS is dying. Market's going sideways. I think $5. I don't know ECN price, but I think it's something like $5. And I provide liquidity on my sales, so it I get ECN credits when I sell. Wish I wasn't so scared of CSCO. Thing has been rolling all day. I just needed an entry at the open, man. It would have been easy peasy. Hmm, that is very true. What up, Pharaoh? Guess we just having a quiet moment right now, bro. Having a moment of silence for that R I lost already. What's going on with you, Pharaoh? You trade anything today?
Order filled.
Way up here is 2R, bro. Oh my God. Please. Oh no. What a pop that was. If that can follow back through and break. It broke two, went up to 201. Come on, man. Look at that volume that came in. That's a nice igniter. Just need that follow through, man. Come on, buyers. Look at that. Maybe that was the sell signal. You don't think they powered back in and smash it down under two? And if we can get back above, then they really got to get out. And then if we get back above 210, they really, really got to get out. And then we get over pre-market high, they really, really, really got to get out. It can happen. Yeah, that's where I'd have my stop at. What's it gonna be? It is holding 190. What was the catalyst for this? Earnings. Ah, yeah, nasty rejection candle, to be honest. Wouldn't be surprised if it broke down. Sell signal. Should have sold and just waited to see if it was going to go do it again, you know? Our earnings was yesterday. Oh, yeah, for sure. If it earnings came out after yesterday's trading session, then that's definitely the catalyst for today, I would say. Oh my. Okay. Broke that high. Come on to 11. Oh man. Oh man. No. Dang it, man. I can't do that to myself. Nah, 2R was like, I thought it was closer to high day. 190. My risk is 7 cent. So, 204. Went to 202. For real? Dang. Yeah, mine goes 202, 201, and 202. Yeah, them some huge volume pops, huh? Yeah. 'I can't believe I pumped that. Well, I can. It was just so extended, but I could tell it was resetting on the one right here. Could have taken that break, but it was already gone, you know. That's funny. I had a dream. Come on, bro. 15 looks bad, man. I mean, it's above the EMA, that's cool, but this wick is like got me so uncomfortable, man. It's holding the level for now. Narrow range candles. It's gotta go though, man. Hmm. Terrible wicks. High volume wicks too, man. Yeah. Yeah. I like that hammer and little baby volume spike. Huh. Talk to me, man. KDLY finally coming back to Earth. Come on, bro. Straight molasses, bro. Hmm. Hmm. Talking about like these, pushing up and then it move down. And right here, we're pushing down. Maybe we'll move up. Uh, all right, we just got to make sure we execute properly if this goes our way.
CSX.
I was gonna add there, but these wicks are just too scary. So I'm just gonna chill. My level two, my screen's frozen. No, we good. Need to fix my webcam though. It does this all the time. Auto white balance, messing everything up. There we go. Well, when these shorts get out the way, this 15 minute is holding nicely. Still got quite a few more minutes left, but it's been chilling right here for a minute. Oh man, it was all a dream. KDLY, that's pretty slick on the 5. Close enough to the EMA, huh? Should have just gone and stop out under there. What's this low? 87. Joker ain't going nowhere, man. Yo, KDLY looks decent though. Strong sell signal right there. Boop. Back into the 80s, huh? Yeah, this is just a molasses joint. We could have left this alone. Lobo on the 15. Not bullish enough. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
MRK.
Their team looking better and better too. 3 minutes left. 32K buyer. Hmm. Hmm. Don't sell price target. Sell the volume. Sell the volume. Sell the volume. Sell the volume. I really feel like I put myself at a disadvantage taking away my 1 minute chart. Bring it back. That's daily resistance too. All right, so I definitely got to get some out there. It's looking good on the 15 now, especially with that high right there. Just got to get back. We just got to get over $2, man. We can get the two, start working towards high a day, man. Woo. Talking about some fun times for SDT. Hey, man, as long as enough people trading it for it to move, it's definitely molasses, though. Yeah, I feel you. I definitely don't like sitting here this long. It's been pretty painful, especially when it was below my entry. That was really painful. All right, I'm getting too hot.
OXLC.
Come on, man. We gotta get this. We gotta get this wrapped before lunchtime for sure. That looks pretty good. Come on, baby. We getting close to $2, man. $198. This candle's high is 202. That's first squeeze. Come on, baby. We need that 222, man. We need it for the kids. We need it for the wife and kids. Hey, what's up, Knives? It's going all right. I'm down 1R on QBTS. And things are looking promising, I guess. I don't know. It's been a stressful hold so far. I know, man.
KHC. MPW. GILD.
I'm just playing the pattern though. Like, as long as the structure of the pattern isn't broken, I'm not going to exit the trade. I don't care about a slow mover as long as it's slowly moving up. And if this goes my way, it'll be worth the wait. Man, look at that hourly. Boom, boom, boom. Splack out. Splack out. What kind of squeeze day is this thing be having? It's already kind of done quite a range, actually. Well, we're hoping for something astronomical for sure. Still waiting for that higher high, por favor. 199. Looking for that $2. $4. 15 looking fantabulous. 5 is going to be super nice looking over 202. Ain't no volume on that pullback. We ain't talking about nothing. 50K sellers stepped in. 56K. They coming to serve Billy because Billy about to take it and run. $3, baby. All right, new minute. That's the setup. Come on, Billy. What up, Dirk? I was just checking out a couple of your comments, man, the other day, and I was like, man, I ain't seen Dirk in a long time. Realistic pre-market high. 250 would be better, but pre-market high. It's gonna be hard to hold because if it squeezes, the volume's gonna be insane, and it's gonna be like, is that a sell signal? Should I hold? What was the price yesterday? So we're not. I don't think we have to worry about halting too much, do we? Closed at 135 yesterday. GRYP and KDA. I was kind of feeling a little FOMO on KDLY, but I did all right. I didn't see GRYP though. $2. Come on, push it. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh. All right, stay calm. The volume is not crazy yet. Stay calm. Is that new high day yet? New high day 210. We got 211, baby. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh no, what the hell was that? I got stopped out on that wick, bruh. Shout out my broker. Nah, we hitting scanners now, baby. We just hit the high day scanners. Billy is coming. Come, Billy. Come to me. I have shares for you. I have shares for you, Billy. Come on, baby. Nope, didn't get stopped, bro. Thank God. That would have been really sad. Especially if I'd have got slipped way down here. Oh, devastation.
NWL.
That would have been the end of struggling day trader, bro. That would have been the end. All right, guys. Going to work. Oh man, Dirk is in at 219. Or wait, to 219? Okay. I thought you was about to say you buying. I know if Dirk buying, we good to go. Target 219. That volume is picked up. That's hella high. but I'm really banking on that being the beginning of a squeeze volume. It's holding up pretty well above 2. Come on, Billy. Do your job. Do your job, Billy. Come on. Come on. Snaps. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God, you guys. Come on, higher, higher.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. How much we saving for the dream?
Order
Not that
filled.
much. Come on, baby. Give me 250. Come on, one more pop. One more pop.
Order filled.
Come on. A little higher. A little higher.
Order filled.
Oh my God, you guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out. I'm out. I went up to 250 risk today. And man, after taking that first L, bro. Should have held some for the dream. I couldn't, man. I had to let it go. Oh my God. I know, bro. It's still going, bro. I should have saved some for the dream, man.
RKT.
Uncle Paul. We made it. Oh my God. Hey, KDLY looking proper over here. I needed this to happen so bad, you guys. I needed a day to put some cushion in my account. I needed it. Like, bro, I was trading on the edge. I'm telling you, Pharaoh, I've been dreaming for 5 long years, bro. This is it right here, y'all. This is the line. That's the line right there, you guys. Ever since this break, came back locked in, man. I finished last week up $749. This week we're at 397 plus 870 freaking dollars. We're up 1270 on the week. Oh my God. Almost a $900 day, man. I almost had my first 1K day. In my head, I definitely was trying to get back 1,000 plus that to make back QBTS so I can get that comma on the day. But just having $1,000 trade, oh my God, man. $1,000, bro. Like the amount of work that I have to do to make that at work, bro. This is like this trade right here from 1050 to 1135. Less than an hour. And made 4 days worth of work, man. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, that's wild, bro. That's wild. Well, I think I got a little cushion to continue at 250 risk for a couple days, huh? I just the main worry was trusting myself. I know the strategy should be okay if I take good setups that, I should survive over a string of trades. But it's just me being able to trust myself to actually sit on my hands until I take those A setups, not crash out if I lose like I did on QBTS. Man, Leon, bro. I ain't doing nothing, bro. Nah, I'm going to the gym, baby. Hold up. You know what time it is. Oh my God. Is this it? Am I a profitable day trader? Can I break out Kermit yet? Oh my God. What's the stats for May so far? Let's see.
A pH.
2.5 to 1 risk loss ratio. Dang, my profit factor's up to 1.7. 40% win rate, which I think I can still improve quite a bit. Yo, we cooking in May, baby. Look at this. Making bands now, Leon. $1,000 days, baby. Yeah, no doubt. Looking for that 260. Yeah, the 5 looking kind of cool now. 1K is easy. Bro, my highest trade before today was 437, which happened like last week on Hims or the week before last. Last 2 weeks, one of them. But it was $437 on Hims. And I didn't even care, bro. Because I knew $1,000 was around the corner, bro.
EPD.
Man, I was really feeling pressured yesterday. I told Trey, It's like, man, I'm really feeling pressure to raise my risk because I need to make money. You know what I mean? Like I need to, like, I can't, if we're still in the take it slow, take it easy, you know, step it up phase, then that ain't working. I got to go back to work. Like we need to be in the make money phase. Like to make it make sense that I passed up a $45 an hour job, right? Can't be coming in here making $200, $100. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. My stop was right in there too, bro. So blessed that I didn't get stopped out. So blessed. I would have been so sad. Imagine getting stopped out and on the same wick it freaking breaks out. Oh man. What a different day that would have been, right? Man, God is good. God is good, man. 4.57R on that puppy. And we about top tick that thing too. Can't even have no FOMO. Can't even have no FOMO, man. And look at the sell signal. It's right there. There's Billy. Here's Billy. And look what happened. We sold the hell out of that thing and got all the way out. Forget the pullback, man. Take the money. Take the money at the top. That's the new motto going forward, man. We ain't holding nothing. We taking it from the top. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Ben. If it was real, it definitely would have triggered my stop. I probably would have got filled right at the bottom too. Oh my God, you guys. Now it's real. Now it's real. The power. Straight money printer, bro. 5 long years. Including 1 year of sharing my failures with you guys. And getting beat up on a daily basis. Yep, sure am. I got like $1,000 in my account, bro. Literally. The percent gain is mad. This is my... Okay, I got a little more in there than I thought, actually. Ending cash after yesterday was... Dang, bruh. Hold on. Oh, okay. Yeah. 1,800 after yesterday. So we just threw another 873 on top of that. So we like, what, 26? Yeah, bro. My broker's the bee's knees. Item 9. 20 times leverage, baby. And you best believe he getting a call tomorrow to raise this bad boy, too. What's 20K times 25? I mean 20. 50 G. We trading with 50 G's tomorrow, baby. I don't know if they would let everybody do it, but I honestly have. No, I'm not raising my risk. Yes, bro. Yo, Kizzy, we made it. 20x. Yes. 20x, baby. Nah, I'm just talking about buying power, though, Pharaoh. I'm not raising my risk for now. I need a cushion. 250? 250? 2R a day at 250, bro. I'm straight. I'm good. 2R? Hey, I'll take that. 2R. See, it was hard to take 2R when 2R was 20 bucks. But when 2R is 500, hey, I'm going to the gym with a smile on my face. Hey, I like KDLY over here, but it's almost lunchtime, so I ain't doing nothing. But it looked like it's trying to set up on the 5 over yesterday's high. It looks pretty decent, but volume's not bad too, man. It's still been kind of pretty good volume candles. Kind of low on the one. But anyway, I'm definitely not doing nothing. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying, man. I just needed to get it up high enough to where I got enough buying power and enough cushion. And I think we're just about at that sweet spot. I just can't have no crash out days. My last crash out day was last Wednesday. Which it was only a -4R day, but still -4R is a lot. Hopefully we won't be doing that. So close my journal here. Man, appreciate it, Kizzy. It's I've believed that I was able to, that I've been here for a while. Like all the times I've been saying, I got this, I got this. It's because I could see this part. I could see this part and I could trade this part. The problem was while this isn't available, trading all kind of trash in the meantime, not being able to just sit on my hands and do nothing until I get a real legitimate buying opportunity. That's what I couldn't do. But this part, like, bro, I've been reading this for a minute. I just didn't have the discipline to let that be my only trade. You know, I had to mix these trades in with 5 or 6 losers every day, not getting anywhere, you know? But I believed I could do it. That's why I put my risk up that high, but it's still scary because it's literally like irrational belief almost, especially from everybody on the outside in, like everybody looking at me like, bro, you tripping. Even my wife, bless her heart, you know, she's thinking about the kids. She's thinking about, you know, and you talking about you gonna quit, you gonna not take this $45 an hour job because you had a good week. Like, bro, you've had plenty of good weeks. We got bills to pay, my man. DJ. Man, I appreciate you, DJ. You got a hand in this for sure, bro. I wouldn't have been at this risk level without you, man. I appreciate you. I told y'all KDLY setting up over here. All right, y'all. It's lunchtime, baby. I am going to go to the gym and work up a little appetite. And I feel like I can eat pretty much whatever I want for lunch today. What is my heart desire on this day? Oh man, I'm telling you, low floats. Oh man, bro. I was watching one of some cheddar biscuits. I was watching one of Ross's videos. Like I couldn't sleep last night, bro. I was up till like 2:30 in the morning, bro. And I was watching one of Ross's videos talking about how he made $1 million in 51 days on a small account challenge, and he was just kind of going through how he did everything and how he would start his day at a quarter risk to build a cushion, and if that went well, that usually meant the market was hot, and so that would validate a increase to full risk, and then he would start really trying to pile it on, but he would always have that cushion. So his big days were really big, and his small days never went past that, or I guess would rarely, I don't know if they never went, but usually wouldn't go past that quarter risk level because the day was crappy. It's really cool, but you know, I don't take as many trades. You'd have to take a lot of trades to make that make sense. I'm down to like 1 or 2 trades a day now, which is pretty awesome. Only thing bad about that is I feel like I'm gonna end up with a closer to 50% accuracy versus if I was taking like 5 trades a day, I think it would be higher. But it's cool. I don't really care about that much. It's just fun to talk about. I care about that $873.43 that's at that bottom line right there. That's what I really care about. But you know, I need to be aggressive, but smart, you know, because like imagine on just AYTU, if this actually stopped me out with 3,000 shares and it slipped my stop down 10 cents, that would have been really bad. That would have been really bad. You know, I told Trey, I was like, some magic has to happen. Like for this to actually happen from where I'm starting from, like some magic, like things like I need the blessings of God to come and aid me. You know, some stuff has to happen. You know, because you got skill, you know, skill and opportunity, but you know, it's still a game of probabilities, and you know, you have your sweet spots and you have your pullbacks. Like I just really need to not be in the midst of a pullback right now. Like I need to run a pretty good while right now before, you know, having a drawdown. I live in Kansas City, Missouri. Yeah, I watched Ross trade before, and I was appalled. I was like, nah, bruh. But yeah, man, barbecue. I might have to go hit up Jack Stack today. Actually, bro, they got this big beef crown rib. It's like $30, but it's ooh. Now you talking, Dirk. Yeah, I think I deserve a little Jack Stack today. Oh my God, I might be able to make a withdrawal this week, yo. I was hoping at least like be able to squeeze out like $500 or something. But I'm gonna try to go another week. I really need to let the money cook for a little while before I can actually start pulling out. I got a couple things to sell. I got a riding lawnmower I'm gonna try to sell, and I got a shuttle bus that I was gonna work on. I'm gonna try to sell that too, get some income coming. Yeah, you're right, Paul. This is a big day, man. This is a really big day for sure. $1,000. Stupid QBTS messing up the day. All right, Dirk, thanks for coming and celebrating with me, man. Hey, guys, hit that like button for me, please. This got to be the day everybody in the chat hits the like. Come on, we got to have like 30 likes today, man. This is the best day ever on the stream. Today. Make it rain one more again. I appreciate it, Paul. Yeah, man. Take a minute, hit the like button for me. Throw a comment down under the video after the stream's over. Let's get it popping, man. Rinse and repeat. That's it, man. Appreciate you, Pharaoh. Man, you guys. Ah, T-Lo. Appreciate you, bro. We made it. All right, man. I'm going to the gym. Let's close this puppy out. Let me end this with my new favorite meme. See if I can find it real quick. I think it really fits. This oh, is it frozen? This stupid thing. And now I'm gone. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, bro. I'm seeing the code now and I'm just like, whoa. Anyway, man. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, man, and being here with me on this really awesome day for the journey, man. Oh my God. I can't believe it, man. I just I was really there's definitely some times very recently where I was just like, you know what? It's we're gonna have to get real and just find something else, man. But we here now, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.